Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my secret. Well, actually it's not a secret. I'm just trying to make it more dramatic. It's not a secret at all. It's basically just a condition I have. And so this video came about because over the years I've been getting lots of comments, and it's always just so funny when I read your comments, and I figure it's maybe time that I share with you. So answer your questions basically. And so some of the comments that I get are things like, she is cheating. When she moves her hand, do you see like the lines disappear? She's using an app. She's not really drawing. All these funny, really crazy little things that you guys come up with. And it's just so hilarious when I watch them, because when I read them, because I know what's going on, right? And so, okay, so today I'm just going to tell you what's going on. I'm not cheating with an app. I am not, what's that? I'm not doing any kind of magic. Oh, and I don't have a piece of paper under my hand because I'm afraid of smudging my paper. Definitely not. I wish it were that easy. That's not why. The reason I have a piece of paper under my hand is because I have a condition that allows me to do this. See that? See those beautiful marks? That's my superpower. I bet you can't do this, huh? See how gross that is? Yes, I am producing all this liquid that is making this paper here warping and wet and gross. So that is why I have a piece of paper under my hand under every drawing. I have a condition called hyperhidrosis, and it basically means I sweat a lot. My pores go out of control. My hands, my armpits, my feet. It's just really sad and gross, and it sucks, right? Because it just really limits you. You feel like you're so limited in things you can wear and things you can do. Especially like if I know I have to go and shake someone's hand, it's even worse. Nervousness makes it even worse. So you can imagine when I first started trying to make videos on YouTube, I was really intimidated. That was one of the things I was just like, I can't do this. How am I going to be able to draw in front of the camera, talk? I mean, my nerves would go crazy, and can you imagine how much sweating I would do my hands? The paper would just not, it would be, I wouldn't even be able to draw. But somehow I did it. I overcame it because I had to, because I really wanted to do this. I really wanted to try it out. And so I'm so glad that I did overcome it. Oh, and you hear that? That's also another thing. Probably a lot of my videos, you hear a lot of planes, motorcycles, police cars, you hear it all, right? And it's because I think I live right over a plane route, whatever you call that. And the back of my house is a plaza. So that doesn't help either with all the noise, right? So sorry, Dresser Cuties, if you hear a lot of noises during my videos. And so that's two secrets now, right? Okay, so we were talking about hyperhidrosis. So yeah, I have this condition, and like I said, it really intimidated me when I first started drawing on YouTube. But I'm just, like I said, I'm really glad I did overcome it. There's lots of issues, like the paper helps absorb the sweat, but sometimes I sweat so much that it goes through the paper, and I constantly have to change these. It's not like I can go through one. And then sometimes it beads on my marker pen right here, and it drips onto my paper when I'm drawing. I'm like, oh my gosh, right? It's just, and it warps my paper. So sometimes when you're seeing me drawing, you might see the drawing kind of wobbling. That's why. And then it's even worse, especially when I'm making crafts for you guys, because on craft, I'm doing it on a dark paper, right? So sometimes my hands have to touch the paper, and you can see like marks. If you go back to like my old videos, and then I have to fold paper for you, and oh my gosh, it's just a mess. Well, to me, it feels like a mess. Hopefully you can't tell too much, but that is basically my secret. of why I have a piece of paper under my hand for all my drawings. So sorry it wasn't as dramatic as you thought. It's just a condition I have. So hopefully if you're out there like me and you have hyperhidrosis and you love to draw like me, I really hope this video has helped you overcome that, and to let you know that you can continue doing what you love. We might not have it as easy as others, but we can still do it, right? And I forgot if I mentioned, but the only one good thing that has come out of this coronavirus pandemic is that we no longer have to shake hands. Yes! When I know I have to shake hands with somebody, it's like the worst thing in the world. Oh my gosh, my hands just get so wet and gross, and then I have to apologize, or I have to try to find a way where I can hide away, where I don't have to shake hands with someone. I'll pretend to be holding a book or holding a drink, something, anything. But sometimes I can't, and I'm like, I'm so sorry, my hands are clammy and gross. And then you see them go, oh, it's okay. And then they kind of, you know, take their hands away, and you just kind of see them wipe. I'm so sorry for anyone who's ever had to suffer that from me. But okay, anyways, before I keep blah blah blahing, that is basically it. I just want to let you know, cuties, why I have a piece of paper under my hand, and I really hope this video has inspired some of you out there who also have things not as easy, and that you will overcome it, and that you can overcome it if you really want to do something. So thanks so much for watching Draw So Cuties, and I will see you guys soon. Bye bye.